GuangDong GHS Limited was established in 2010, is the industry leader of aluminum torch line manufacturers. Also a high-tech enterprise assembled torch light developing, production and sales all in one. We do indeed utilize first-class raw materials to ensure the finest product quality and after-sales service. We insist on only one agent in one area to maximize the sharing of resources in order to achieve mutual benefits and double-win cooperation. Our company offers a diverse range of products and can also customize torches to meet your specific requirements. We also sincerely inviting you to join us to brings. We do hope that we can always stand by you in the future days.